How can you make your business more efficient, more productive, and more profitable? That's a question everyone's asking. And at Zebra, it's our job to find the answer. Which is why we'd like to shed some light on our latest bright idea, the new MC3300 Mobile Computer. With the new Zebra MC3300 Mobile Computer, efficiency and productivity come in many forms. 4 to be exact: pistol grip, turret with rotating head, straight shooter, and 45-degree angle. This device scans from an extended range, which puts distance between you and your competition. And it captures multiple barcodes with a single trigger pull. When the going gets tough, no problem, because the rugged new Zebra MC3300 Mobile Computer is even tougher. And for the front of the store, it's got the looks that sell. And staying connected to staff is simple. The MC3300 is equipped with push-to-talk capabilities and Wi-Fi-enabled Workforce Connect. It all runs on Android, the fastest operating system for business. And it's all backed by Zebra's second-to-none service and support. Fire up the new MC3300 and turn on greater productivity, efficiency, and capability.